to Depixilet the image or photo or improve the quality. So go to the image menu, image size. So the resolution should be, I don't know, 400. It's up to your image. And simple image should be probably QB sharper, and click OK. So unlock this, and then go to the filter and noise, reduce noise. So strength should be high and preserve details should be mild. So reduction is you can slide to the left or right to amount you want. That's good to you. So I think it is good, and this tick should be ticked. So okay, as you can see, the photo looks softer and the pixels are smaller than before, and its quality is high. Thanks for watching. Hope to enjoy it. Good luck. You can see it needs to be reformed. Please, in the brush, we need to reform it. And the background copy, apply layer mask. And Control T to resize the image, or small or big. Click OK. And with this tool, select and lower the part of the image to want to be exposure. So Control D to out the selection, and background adjustment, solid color. So put it under background copy and drag your image, another image, and Control T and flip vertical, right click, and resize it to amount you is good to you. So reduce the opacity in the to show the body, and more, and opacity should be 100. So after that, you can see the effect and the picture is not good. So we should be channel, go to channel blue copy and apply the lower mask. So you can see the not shown. So in the background copy, click mask, alt, and there reform or remove the edge of body, and layer 1, alt, create mask. So in this level, control to background control, and then lower thumbnail, control shift I to reverse it, and the objects are shown with the brush tool, with hardness 76, and remove the remain of the rest of the picture, the second picture. So the next step is to there takes a lot of minutes. So brush it, and so we have this mask, and you can see the important things, and then so drag the third picture and lower opacity or reduce to what you want and resize it by Control T. So fit it to the background copy in lower 2. Create mask by pressing Alt. So with this little brush, we brush or the edge of 2 pictures not to show. So background copy. Put it upper and put the mode light in. So it's not shown. And then after that, solid color and with dropper eye. So select and mask color. In this background foreground, select a color and then small it and gradient to upper and down. So you can see double exposure. Very, very good. But we